Hello friends, today I will explain you about a new cloud-based WhatsApp chatbot API panel which will be too easy to use. So I will explain you. This is the dashboard where you can see a list devices option. I had already added one of my number. You just simply need to do is click on add button, then you have to write a number with a country code. So you have to add like we are in the India, so we are putting 91. Then we can put our number, like I had putting my number 99991935. So only I need to add 91, do not need to add plus there. Then webhook is a optional, so I can just click on save button. Once click on save button, there it will show disconnected. So I have to, there is a action, in the action there is a QR code. I have to click on QR code, then it is a QR code I need to scan. Once I will scan this QR code, my WhatsApp will be connected here. After connecting the WhatsApp, it will show connected in a green signal, that will be a connected status. Then we have another option like a file manager. In the file manager option, we can upload file. So directly here is the upload option. I can just click on upload. I can choose one of any file from my laptop. I had just uploaded an image. Then after uploading the image, I just need to close it. The image is uploaded here. Then I have a option of auto reply. I can test, I can add auto reply directly. Here is a add option. While clicking on add, then I will provide a, after putting the keyword, like I had put a keyword of hi, then I have four options like text message, image message, button message, template message. Any I can, as per my requirement, I can set a auto chatbot from this auto reply option. Like I can just close this and explain in a new video about this. There is an option of phone book. In a phone book option, I have option to fetch from WhatsApp group. I can fetch the contacts from WhatsApp group. If I am having a contact list in a WhatsApp group, so I can just fetch directly from a WhatsApp group. Or I have a option of add. I can create groups here. Like I had created already a group of name SMS Indori. So after that I have a option of view list number. In the view list number, I am having a option to upload a file. Just I had uploaded a file with the number, two number I had uploaded. So after that it will show in a file. Then I am having a option of blast message. In the blast message, I have four format of messages. Blast text. In this, the message go in a blast text. There I have two options. The main option of this panel, the main sending process of this panel is the same. Like I can select a sender, whatever the sender I have added. Then I have two options, send by tag and send by list. In the send by tag option, if I select, then the whatever the group I have added in the phone book, that group will be viewing here. So I can select the group whatever I have added. Or the second option is send by list. In the send by list option, I have the option to put the number manually, or I can just copy paste the number directly. So I had just put one my number, then I have to put other number by comma separated. Like I have put one number, then comma, then I have to put another number. This is the main way to do a campaign. Then I have an option of delay. I can put a delay like 2 seconds or 5 seconds or 10 seconds, anything I can put in a delay. Like I can put a 2 seconds. Then I have an option of immediate or schedule. If I want, I can also schedule this campaign as per my requirement. Like I am not available in a particular time period, so I can schedule this campaign also. That is also possible. Okay. Then I have an option of this is your message. I can put here my message. Okay. So I can put the same as it is and click on start blast. After the message is shooted, it will show a message is in the blast, and you can check this in the history. The same we have a different format, like this is the text message with blast text. So then we have other messages, the blast image. We have to do the same process of sending, only we have an option to choose a file which we had already uploaded. So we can choose the file for the blast image. In the blast button option, we are having a facility to send two buttons. The process of sending is same. We have to just copy paste the number, send by tag. In the delay option we can apply the delay. In the button option we can put any button like yes interested and not interested, anything what we require. In the blast, then we can click on start blast. Then the blast message in the progress it will show. In the blast button, how it will show, I can show you. This is the view of blast message in button. This is the message in the view, yes or no. We can click on yes or we can click on no. Then the last option is blast template. In the blast template we are having a option to send the button in a link view, like call to action button or URL button. The process of sending is same, send by tag. Then we can apply delay. Then we are having a option of template 1, we can put a template 1. Then we are having a option of template 2, in that we can put a URL. Then we can click on start blast, the blast message on progress. Then the blast message will deliver. Then this is the view, call now, or we can click on WhatsApp me. So there will be both the option will be available. As it is whatever we want, we can put the URL as per our requirement, like we can put a visit website or anything, whatever we want we can. Then the last option is REST API, is the option of API. If you want we can apply the API. So in the REST API we can get the API with whatever the required credentials which will be applied, which will be necessary for applying a API. So this is the API. We have the text message, image message, button message, document message, template message. All the API will be available here. We can apply directly to our website or CRM to redirect this function directly. So this is the API tool. In the dashboard we can see this is the all the functionality it will be here. For any requirement for like WhatsApp chatbot or WhatsApp API or WhatsApp cloud-based WhatsApp, you can connect us. We can easily help you to get this system, and you can connect us directly by getting our number in the description. Also please subscribe our channel and follow. Thank you.